Franz Seraph Lenbach, after 1882. Ritter von Lenbach was born December 13, 1836, died May 6, 1904. He was a German painter known primarily for his portraits of prominent personalities from the nobility, the arts, and industry. Because of this standing in society, he was often referred to as the Malerfürst. Some of Lenbach's paintings are now in national collections in the United Kingdom, including portraits by Lenbach of Bismarck and Gladstone in the National Galleries of Scotland and another of Gladstone in the Palace of Westminster. Others are in the Frye Art Museum in Seattle, Washington.